Indonesian conversation, describing people too. Conversation 1. Which one is your sister? Yang mana adikmu? She's very tall. She has long brown hair. She likes to wear jeans and t-shirt. Dia sangat tinggi. Dia punya rambut coklat panjang. Dia suka memakai jeans dan kaos. Oh, I see her. Oh, saya lihat dia. Conversation 2. Tell me again about your brother looks like. Katakan padaku lagi, seperti apa kelihatannya saudaramu? He's kind of short. He has black curly hair. He likes to wear jacket. Dia agak pendek. Dia punya rambut hitam keriting. Dia suka memakai jaket. I think I see him. Sepertinya saya lihat dia. Conversation 3. Is that your daughter there? Apakah itu anak perempuanmu di sana? No, my daughter is tall. She has long brown hair. Her hair is straight and she's a little heavy. Bukan, anakku tinggi. Dia punya rambut coklat panjang. Rambutnya lurus dan dia sedikit gemuk. Let me look again. Coba, aku lihat lagi. Conversation 4. I think I see your girlfriend now. Sepertinya aku lihat pacarmu sekarang. She's short. She has short wavy blonde hair and dia pendek. Dia punya rambut pendek pirang berombak dan kind of pretty. Agak cantik. Oh yeah, I guess so. Oh yeah, menurutku juga. Yeah, I see her. Yeah, saya lihat dia.